Hello YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we are reviewing the WEme USB 3.0 to SATA Dual Bay Hard Drive Docking Station. So as you can see right here, I do have some experience with external hard drive enclosures and docking stations. So this one on top is actually a USB 2.0, and that's why I wanted to get this USB 3.0 docking station, the WEme. So we're going to replace this 2.0 with a 3.0 to try to get the speeds up in data transfer. Inside the box, it has the main unit right there on top. Take it out. First, it has the USB 3.0 connector. It has an on-off switch, and it has an input from a power adapter. It supports the 2.5-inch hard drives as well as the 3.5-inch hard drives, so that's good. SATA. And inside the box, we also have a power adapter and the USB 3.0 cable. So they give you everything you need, and last but not least, they give you the manual to use it. I mean, I think it's pretty simple. We're going to just plug it in. We're going to do all that. But this thing also has a feature where you can clone a drive, which I will probably not be using, so I'm just going to use it as an external hard drive enclosure. So the two current hard drives on the USB 2.0 enclosure are my L drive, which is the Western Digital Green 4TB, the Samsung 2TB drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how fast it would transfer a file from one of those hard drives to my computer, and I'll show the USB 2.0 speed, and then we'll compare it to the USB 3.0 speed. This is the hard drive that's currently connected to the USB 2.0 interface that I have already, and I'm just going to drag this folder of photos from when my kid was a newborn, and we're going to copy it over to the desktop folder, and it's showing 38 megabytes per second or about. We'll do the same test, but we're going to have it in the WEme USB 3.0 enclosure. We have the WEme USB 3.0 to SATA hard drive enclosure. We're just going to pop our hard drives in. It's really simple. You're just going to line up the SATA power and data connector, and you're just going to line up with the inside of the unit, so you can't go wrong now. They have connectors in there, right there. Those connectors just line up with the hard drive, and pretty much it just goes forward, and you pop it in. And just push down until it locks in tightly with the connector. And that's how you put hard drives in. And now we'll hook it up with USB 3.0 and the power adapter, and we'll see how it works at transferring data. We have the WEme USB 3.0 to SATA hard drive enclosure. And as you see, it has the two drives, and it has indicator lights for both drives just sitting there. And let's try transferring that same exact folder of my son's newborn pictures over to the computer, and we'll see how fast USB 3.0 can be. We have our folder over here. We're just going to drag it over to the same drive that I had it before, and we'll see how fast it goes. About 110 megabytes per second, so it's definitely faster than the USB 2.0, and that's exactly why I upgraded with the WEme USB 3.0 to SATA hard drive enclosure. So the last thing I want to show you is video, but this is a video of Zach back in the day in Hollywood, Florida from vacation, and I'll just show you that you can basically play the video and then skip around, and there's almost no loading time at all when you skip around the video. Skip around here, there, and that's what USB 3 does. It gives you a lot of data. So the WEme USB 3.0 to SATA external hard drive enclosure is definitely something that you might want to get if you have external hard drives like I do. I currently have 6. I have a Pro box here with 4 hard drives in it, and I have another 2 now in the WEme enclosure, which is way faster than the old 2.0 enclosure I did have. So it's an excellent buy, and if you'd like to buy the WEme USB 3.0 to SATA external hard drive enclosure, please look for our link in the description below. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We'll send you to Amazon where you can buy your very own. We just want to say thank you and have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.